Okay, today I'm going to make a homemade pot roast in a slow cooker. And I'm using boneless chuck roast from the local meat market, celery, carrots, potatoes, and onions. And I'm going to cut everything up and I'm going to show you how we're going to put all this together today. Okay, now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I don't put anything else in it, just salt and pepper. I don't care for garlic, a whole bunch. I'll just put salt and pepper in it. And I'm going to add some water. You just put enough water in it to cover most of it. I usually don't fill it all the way up. We'll put it on high. And I'm going to set it for about 6.5 hours. And that's it. And I'll show you when it's ready. Alrighty, I got it out of the slow cooker and I'm going to shred it up and get some of the fat off. See the little bit of fat? I'm going to take that off because we don't like to eat that, and then I'll show you what it's like after I shred it all up. Alrighty, here's the shredded meat, and here's the fat that I got off of it. I'm going to put it back in the crock pot, then I'm going to put it in our bowls, and then I'm going to show you how it is. We're going to eat. And there you have it, homemade pot roast in a crock pot. That's what's for dinner.